Good morning, my dear students. So now we can discuss the next question of anatomy and physiology. So in previous class we have discussed up to 100 questions. Now let us see the next question. Dash convey the urine from kidney to bladder. Dash convey the urine from kidney to bladder. Urethra, uretus, both. Urethra and uretus. None of this. The answer is uretus. The next question. Weight of the heart about in male. 300 gram. Weight of the heart is about in male 300 gram, and weight of heart in about in female 250 gram, 300 gram, 600 gram, 400 gram. The answer is 250 gram. Then dash lies in the thorax and behind the sternum and between two lungs. Pharynx, larynx, heart, none of this. The answer is heart. Heart lies in the thorax behind the sternum between the two lungs. Then which of the following layer provide outer covering to the heart? Which of the following layer provide outer covering of the heart? Myocardium, endocardium, epicardium, none of this. The answer is epicardium. Epicardium is a layer provide outer covering to the heart, or we can also call it is the outer layer of the heart. Then next, dash is tough double layered membrane which covers the heart between them. Fluid is present to lubricate the heart. Pericardium, endocardium, myocardium, both I answer. The answer is pericardium is a double tough layer membrane covers the heart, and between them fluid is present, and the function of this fluid is to lubrication of heart. Then next step, there are dash chambers of the heart. 3, 2, 4, 1. Answer is 4. Then tricuspid valve is present between the left atrium and left ventricle, the right atrium and right ventricle. The next, right ventricle to pulmonary artery. D, left ventricle and aorta. Aorta, left ventricle and aorta. The answer is the right atrium, between the tricuspid valve present between the right atrium and right ventricle. Then next question, bicuspid valve is present between the left atrium and left ventricle, the right atrium and right ventricle and pulmonary artery, left ventricle and aorta. The answer is the left atrium and left ventricle. Then next, the next question, aortic valve is present between the left atrium and left ventricle, the right atrium and right ventricle and pulmonary artery, left ventricle and aorta. The answer is left ventricle and aorta. The next question, pulmonary valve is present between the left atrium and left ventricle, the right atrium and right ventricle and pulmonary artery, and option D, left ventricle and aorta. The answer is right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Pulmonary valve is present between right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Next question, which one of the following is semilunar valve? Bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve, aortic valve, none of this. Aortic valve is a semilunar valve. Semilunar valve. Then dash is largest artery. Dash is largest artery. Aorta, capillaris, arterioles, none of this. The answer is aorta, called large artery. Then dash distribute oxygen blood to all parts of the body. Veins, venules, aorta, none of this. The answer is aorta. Then the aorta distributes oxygen blood to all parts of the body. The next one, dash connects arteries with capillaries. Arterioles, aorta, veins, venules. The answer is arterioles connects arteries with capillaries. Then dash diffuse network of blood vessels. Dash diffuse network of blood vessels. Options, which connects arterioles with the venules. Arteries, veins, capillaries, none of this. Capillaries. Capillaries are the network of blood vessels which connects arterioles with the venules. The next one, dash carry oxygenated blood towards the heart. Dash carry oxygenated blood towards the heart. Arteries, arterioles, veins, none of this. The answer, veins carry oxygenated blood towards the heart. The next one, dash is a narrow fibromuscular that conducts urine and semen from the bladder. Dash is a narrow fibromuscular that conducts urine and semen from the bladder in male. Seminal vesicle, prostate gland, urethra, scrotum. Urethra. Urethra is a narrow fibromuscular that conducts urine as well as semen from the bladder in males. The next one. Dash mass made up of highly coiled tubes that store the spermatozoa. Dash mass made up of highly coiled tubes that stores the spermatozoa. Epididymis, scrotum, seminal vesicle, none of this. The answer is epididymis. Okay, the next question. Dash are the female gonads. Uterine tubes, uterus, ovaries, none of this. The answer is ovaries are female gonads. Then weight of the ovary is about 3 grams, 4 to 8 grams, 10 grams, none of this. The answer is 4 to 8 grams. The weight of weight of ovary. Then next question. Dash protects and provide nutrients to fertilized ovum. Uterine tube, uterus, ovaries, none of this. The answer is uterus. Uterus is the organ protects and provide nutrients to fertilized ovum. Thank you. In the next class, we can discuss physiology MCQ. Thank you.